We're with IEEE, is the way it's normally called, and the Robotics and Automation Society. So it's a part of the IEEE. We're announcing a variety of things that are offered by IEEE. In particular, we have two major conferences coming up this year. One is called ICRA, the International Conference for Robotics and Automation, that's being held in Vienna the first week in June. And that has probably over 7,000 people attending, over 170 companies exhibiting, all robotics and automation. So it's going to be a massive conference in Vienna. It'll be very exciting. And then the second one is a similar scale, is called IROS, Intelligent Robot Systems, in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, in the U.S., in the fall, so it's September, October. Yeah, there's so many that are happening right now, but I think it's hard to avoid AI and humanoids. Those are the two kind of big buzz topics that we're seeing a lot of activity, both research-wise and also companies displaying products at the conferences. So I think if you look at humanoids in particular, so many new companies that are coming out with humanoids from kind of my height down to maybe slightly smaller scale, showing them with a lot of functionality, being able to walk around, manipulate things. And then artificial intelligence. AI is showing up in all the different aspects of robotics. IEEE is still very much a global organization, so we're looking across all the geopolitical and geographic boundaries. We try and really bring everybody into the fold. So we're super welcoming of all the different groups that have come in, have very large representation in Europe, in Asia. China in particular is probably a third of the exhibitors for the ICRA, the one in Vienna, will be coming from China. Also, the U.S. has a heavy representation. So I think it's globally something we're really trying to encourage. We also try and encourage people, not just in kind of the traditional areas that you think of, but from other countries, South America, Africa, Australia. All of them kind of get brought into these conferences, and we support different groups coming in.